Hello, good morning dear students. So narito muli tayo sa ating channel para matuto ng iba't ibang kaalaman sa mathematics. So ang topic na ating pag-aaralan sa araw na ito mga kaibigan ay tungkol sa union and intersection of event. Ito ay para sa grade 10 mathematics. So bago tayo magsimula sa ating discussion, kailangan muna nating i-review yung definition of terms, mga terms na kailangan nating malaman bago natin matutunan yung union and intersection of event. Nandyan ang experiment, sample space, and event. Ang experiment is an activity that produces results called outcome. Ang sample naman, o ang sample space naman, set of all possible outcomes in the experiment. Ang event naman is the subset of sample space. It is a specific or collection of outcomes. So, ang experiment mga kaibigan, ito yung ginagawa natin para makita natin ang probability ng isang bagay, yung most likely na mangyari. Halimbawa niyan, tossing a coin. Kapag pinitik mo ang coin, yan ang tinatawag na experiment. Kapag nag-roll ka rin ng die, yan din ay example of experiment. Ang die mga kaibigan is the singular term for dice. Yan yung ginagamit sa mga sabihin na nating pasugalan. So meron tayong tinatawag na sample space. Ang sample space naman mga kaibigan, ito yung result, all the possible result ng experiment. Halimbawa na lang, dyan sa pagtutos ng coin, ang magiging possible results natin dyan is getting head or getting tail. Sa salitang Tagalog, kara o krus. So, S is equal to head and tail or HT. Ang sample space naman, para sa rolling a die, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Ito mga kaibigan, yung mga pieces o mukha ng isang die. Ang event naman, ito naman yung the event na makukuha natin yung gusto nating makuhang result. Halimbawa, what is the probability of getting head? So, ang event natin ay yung getting head. Ayan. Sa dice naman or die for singular, ang event natin is getting even numbers. So, ayan. Ang event natin is just 2, 4, and 6. Kasi yan lang ang ating inaasahan o probable, most likely na gusto nating maging result. So, that is the event. So, ngayon, na napagkaiba-iba nyo na or na-differentiate na ninyo yung experiment, sample space, and event, let's go to union and intersection of event. Ngayon, ano ba itong intersection of events? The intersection of events, A and B, written as A, union or A, intersection with B, pag ganun, pabaliktad na U, is the event containing the elements that are both A and B. Yung mga elements niya, parehong nasa A and B. So, itong intersection mga kaibigan, ito yung mga elements na nasa A, set A, at nasa set B rin. Hinahanap mo kung ano yung parehas sa kanila. Let's say, for example, meron tayong 1. Sa set A, meron tayong 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Sa set B naman, meron tayong 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. So, ano nga ba ang mga element na meron sa set A, na meron sa set B, at yun ang tinatawag na intersection of A and B. So, as you can see, nandito, yung 3, 5, 7, meron din ditong 3, 5, and 7. So therefore, ang ating intersection or the intersection of A and B is 3, 5, and 7. Yan. Anuman ang similar, anuman ang pareho sa both A and B, yan ang hinahanap natin. Ngayon, gagamit naman tayo ng Venn diagram para i-represent yung intersection of A and B. Ayan. Sa Venn diagram, gagamit tayo ng dalawang circle. Yung isa set A, yung isa set B. Kukunin muna natin yung intersection nila which is 3, 5, and 7. Yun ang ilalagay natin sa gitna. Ibig sabihin, ito yung element na meron sa A at meron din sa B. Ngayon, meron tayong 1 and 9 sa set A because meron siyang 1, 9, 3, 5, and 7. So, ibig sabihin, those are the elements in set A. Now, let's go to set B. Meron tayong 2 and 11. And aside from 2 and 11, isasama din natin dyan syempre yung 3, 5, and 7. So, ang intersection between A and B or A intersection with B, these are the common elements na makikita mo sa A at B. So, may symbol yan na A intersection with B. So, that is the intersection of events. Ayan. So, as you can see, meron tayo dyan 3, 5, 7, and 3, 5, and 7. So, ito, it means joint. Ngayon, pag dinisjoint natin yan, pinaghiwalay natin yan, yan ang magiging diagram niya. So, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Sa kabila naman, or letter B, we have 3, 2, 5, 7, and 11. Yan. So, that is the intersection of events. Now, let's go to the union of events. The union of events, A and B, written as A, union with B, or U sa B, is the set of all elements that are in B, that are in A or in B, or both in A and B. Example, same example tayo. Set A, meron tayong 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Sa set B, meron tayong 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. Now, the A union with B is equal to all the elements na makikita mo sa set A as well as the elements na makikita mo sa set B. Pinagsama natin sila. So, we have A union with B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. So, that is A union with B. So, let us represent this using a Venn diagram. Ganun din ang magiging style ng ating representation. We have A and B. So, we have 1, 9, 3, 5, 7. Sa kabila naman, we have 2, 11. At yung common term nila, which is 3, 5, 7. The only difference is that yung symbol niya is A union with B or U with B. It means combining the terms. Pag sinabing union, it combines the terms or elements. Okay? So, subukan yung sagutin itong seat work na ibibigay ko sa inyo. We have set A, 1, 3, 5, 7. Set B, 2, 3, 5, 7. Set C, 2, 4, 6, 8. At set D, you have 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is your seat work. Number 1, you have A union with B. Ano ba yung A union with B? Yan ang susulat nyo dyan. Number 2, we have A union with B. 3, A intersection with C. And 4, C intersection with D. And lastly, we have A union with B, union with D. So, sagutin nyo yan, i-pause nyo muna itong video na ito at maya-maya ay papakita ko sa inyo ang tamang sagot sa inyong seat work. So, I hope you like this video, and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to click the subscribe button at yung notification bell sa baba ng ating video para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga latest uploads sa aking channel. So that's all for now, and as always, have a nice day, everyone.